everyone and welcome back. I'm Diane Deziel and today a very tiny video just to present you the document that I prepared for you. It's 81 pages about the skirt pattern making for the beginners. So if you follow me on the computer, I will show you the content and how it works. So take a look at my little document that I prepared for you, those 81 pages. Here's the content. You have, of course, the basic skirt that we already did, the panel skirt that you'll see in my next video, and you're going to have flare skirt, A-line skirt, some box pleat skirt, knife pleat. You'll see some gather, and I did a pocket skirt. And the last style is a pencil skirt that I did with the lining. At the end of the book, I will see you. I put the sloper for quarter scale and the rulers. The 15 style start with the drawing and a little description. Then you're going to have, just like we did for the first skirt, the plan followed by the pattern piece. And at the end of each style, I put the new learning of that style. So we'll look at another one together. Here, a flare skirt, and you could see I place a little dotted line. That's just for you to, it's just to point out the different level that we start the flare. Again, here you have the plan and you have the pattern piece. And again, the new learning. I'll show you the next one, that is the A-line skirt, that the plan is also like a development that I call. It's a different one. So you have the pattern piece, and on this one I start showing you the finishing of the waist, and I start with the facing. Now we'll go right away to the end, where I place the skirt sloper in quarter scale and the little ruler so you could practice in quarter scale. Before to let you go, I want to point out that you don't need this booklet, but if you want it, I put it available in my Etsy boutique. That's it for today. I hope you enjoy. Don't miss my next video. I'll show you how to do a panel skirt.